Hello friends, this is Vishal. Today we will talk about the ways to become the best in our field. Now, it is very important to understand how to improve your skill set and knowledge base to become the best in your job during this quarantine phase. The essential thing here is to identify the experts of your field. You will have to get in touch with the teachers if you have any education in that field. You'll have to get in touch with your seniors. You'll have to get in touch with your friends who are working in your field and start a process of regular discussion about the problems you face in your professional life and ways to improve your skill sets and your efficiency. When it comes to increasing our knowledge base, reading traditional textbooks are important, which means you keep on reading those academic books and books written by experts of your field. Reading books constitute the traditional part of the knowledge. The other part is current-based knowledge, which are acquired by reading newspapers and magazines related to your fields. The current part helps us in knowing what is happening in our fields in the present, which always gives us an edge over the others. Apart from widening your knowledge base, it is also important to have the necessary skill sets required in your profession. You must keep on adding skills to your profile and be up to date. There is a 3% rule in which you must invest 3% of your income on improving and advancing on the skill sets required for your development. You can buy online courses, attend certification courses, attend seminars and workshops for your development. After increasing your knowledge base and skill sets, it is required that you must keep on applying what you have learned. After its application only, you will get to know whether certain information is of any use to you or not. When you are in touch with people of your field, you can share such things, what you have learned and applied, and also ask whether they have learned something and applied and how it has helped them or not. When it comes to following an expert in your field, when you search for experts in any particular field, mostly you will find foreigners from US or Europe. You must follow them, but apart from them, you must also follow experts from India, which will help you excel in your field in the Indian market. Read their books, watch their interviews, read articles written by them. It is also a great source of motivation and inspiration. So, to become the best in our profession, we must keep adding to our knowledge and skill sets so that few years down the line, we also become an expert in our field. And that must always be our aim, to be the best at what we do. Thank you.